Unveiling 9 insider secrets about clothing stores that shop assistants won't share. Discover the undisclosed tactics clothing retailers employ to encourage higher spending. Are you curious about what clothing manufacturers and sellers keep concealed? Dive into the video to uncover why bidding farewell to the term sale might be the best decision. Number 9. The sales section looks disorderly on purpose. Have you ever noticed how all the clothes in a store are neatly folded or packed, while the sales section is in chaos with things piled in heaps? This is done on purpose to make you feel happy that you found a nice bargain in that mess and run to buy it immediately. Number 8. Collaboration with a famous designer doesn't guarantee quality. Sometimes large brands create clothes made with well-known designers. Their aim is to make customers pay more for exclusive items. However, the only thing unique about them is their limited edition, and the quality of such clothes isn't any better than the rest. Number 7. Fashion trends change every week. The times when there were only 2 seasons, spring/summer and fall/winter, are gone with the wind. Modern clothes manufacturers have taken up on micro-trends. New fashionable items appear in stores almost every week. So you want more and spend more? Number 6. Harmful clothes are used in clothes manufacturing. You might not want that. That can't be identified without proper lab testing. Some harmful substances help carry out a designer's wish regarding the color or texture of the item, and others protect the clothes from insects and mold. What to do? Always wash new clothes before wearing them. It will reduce the number of dangerous chemicals and keep you safe in case an infection has lingered from some previous customer who tried it on. Number 5. Synthetic items cost the same as those made with natural fabrics. Manufacturers often overprice synthetic clothes to give customers an incentive to buy more expensive items made from natural materials. The customer thinks that a cotton or woolen blouse isn't that expensive compared to a synthetic one and buys it without a second thought. Number 4. Clothes are of worse quality in outlets than the same items in boutiques. Striving to save money, many people go to outlets for designer items. However, clothes and accessories there only look like they're from designer collections. Luxe brands often make items from cheap materials specifically for outlets to receive income from those who can't afford their clothes in expensive boutiques. Number 3. Poor quality goods. Our parents have left us things that we can still wear. Today's clothes, however, are often of poor quality. All bad stitches, poorly printed images, cheap plastic fittings, and so on. This is exactly the aim of the manufacturers, to make things quick and cheap so that we buy them more often. Number 2. Sales benefit the stores, not you. Sales are a means of making you buy things you didn't even think of buying originally. Not many can resist temptation upon seeing a discount. But what are sales actually about? Sometimes stores artificially raise the prices just before the sale to announce it later and attract customers. Also, ads in shop windows can claim sales of up to 70%, but you'll only find such a discount on a single item. For everything else, prices are cut by no more than 10%. Number 1. Similar sizes may be too big or too small depending on the brand. Different manufacturers have different size scales. Therefore, you'll be able to fit into a small item in one store, yet hardly be able to squeeze yourself into a medium in another. Some companies artificially reduce the size of their clothes for female customers to buy them more readily. Do you think that's it? Not at all. We also have some bonus for you. The internet is full of life hacks for any situation, right? But do they all work? We found 6 of the most interesting everyday tricks to save your clothes and try them on ourselves. Number 1. A cotton pad and vinegar. Remove ink from your bag. Also, you can check the quality of the bag this way. Number 2. Get rid of small wrinkles with a flat iron. Wrinkles disappear quite fast. The method only works with light clothes though. Shirts. Heavier items won't straighten. Number 3. Sanitary pads help quickly dry shoes and get rid of the odor. If you don't have a dryer at hand, this is an excellent way to remove excess moisture from your footwear. It will be dry in 2 hours. Number 4. Fluff on clothes is easily removed with a razor. Don't abuse this trick though, or you'll end up tearing your clothes. Number 5. Put a rolled-up magazine into your high boots to keep their shape. A fitness mat instead of a magazine will also do to keep the boots' shape until next season. Number 6. Hand antiseptic helps remove ink blots on your clothes. It can remove not only pen ink, but even permanent marker stains. Do you know any other tricks? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video share it with others, and click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.